Alright, everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub. Today we are going to be making a talking avatar. It's free, it's easy, and it's actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So, with that, we're going to be using ElevenLabs. Used that before for our voiceover. We're going to be using Leonardo to generate the avatar. Of course, you don't have to use Leonardo. You got to you got to have a face of some sort, and then we're going to use D. It's D-ID to actually create the talking avatar. So, with that said, let's go ahead and proceed here. I have got ChatGPT open, of course, because I had them write out just a script for our AI to say. So we're going to copy this and I hope they generate the right robot. So anyway, yeah, that is what I had there before. So this is what it's going to say. Hey there. Welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. I may look like a robot, but I'm here to guide you through this amazing world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're brand new or just curious, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's explore cool tools, fun experiments, and beginner-friendly tutorials together. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Okay, that's what it's going to say. Now, we picked a voice. That's what I had for my last one.
Hello, I'm Ava. How may I assist you today?
See, so it's very robotic. Uh, let's see. We want to see here. Here's what I'm saying. You can type in what kind of voice you're looking for, and you can look now. It'll tell you if it's not English. This is Hindi. This one's English.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lid.
It's
Ask
Jarvis.
me anything. I am your person.
Okay.
I'm not really Bob. No, what you're seeing right now is.
What happens if you drink jasmine green tea every day? In this video, we'll explore the 10 benefits.
Okay, we're gonna go with health news narrator. And do my voices. Now, last time it didn't really add it. It did this, and then I just went back. I went back, and now I don't even know which one that was, but okay, we're going to try Brittany.
Hey everyone, welcome.
The waves write poetry on the.
Oh, we're going to put me. Well, we're just going to use me. There you go. Because we're going to try to make a male robot. So, it's going to be me. It's 392 characters. We're going to generate this.
Hey there. Welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. I may look like a robot, but I'm here to guide you through this amazing world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're brand new or just curious, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's explore cool tools, fun experiments, and beginner-friendly tutorials together. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.
Okay. With that, I went ahead and I came over here. And I came over here and I downloaded this. So I got that. Now we're going to switch over here to Leonardo. We're going to launch app. Let me get out of the way so you can see this. We're going to launch the app. Okay, now we're going to go to image creation. And with this, we're going to take this right here, copy. This is the prompt that we're going to try. and I still got 78 credits. So hopefully this will go through. That's not what I wanted. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, guys, that's not what I wanted. Right here is the prompt I wanted. So we're going to try for it. A realistic humanoid robot sitting behind a sleek modern desk, working at a glowing computer terminal. The robot has a smooth metallic face with subtle human-like features, glowing eyes, and visible circuits under the skin. Soft studio lighting, futuristic office background with monitors and neon accents. Front-facing, medium close-up angle, symmetrical and centered. Neutral expression, photorealistic, perfect for animation. That is what we are going to put into Leonardo, and we're going to see what it generates. Now, some of the best ones, I mean, they're just facing you. It's like, if I scroll down, no. Have to go down. I was making I was making some videos where I had the character, it was like they were facing a camera and they were talking. So, something like this. So, we're going to go with this one right here. Download that. Okay, that is in downloads. Bam. Okay, so now what we have got is we have got the voiceover and we have got the character. So here, if you haven't done it, this is D-ID, okay? If you want, you get there's a free packet or a free thing where you get just a couple minutes of it's trial, you can try it, and then you can get videos, you get 64 credits for $10 a month, and then you get avatars. There's still a watermark. It just, there's a free version that you can try, and then if you like it and you need more credits, you can go ahead and pay for the light, and depending on what you need, it starts at like $6 a month. Goes all the way up to, right there, 343. So we don't do the 343. But there you go with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in. Okay, we are going to go to Video Studio. I'm going to create a video. Okay, now I want to create this. I want my avatar right here. There's my robot. I'm going to go down here to the script. You can either type it in or you can drop ours in like I'm going to do here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is 29 seconds. We're going to generate video. What is this? Talking AI. Talking AI avatar. Listen. 29 seconds. It's free because the first month is you generate all you want for free. I don't know if I'll go past a month, but right now, that's what we've got. So, it's making my video. And these are the ones I'm talking about right here. All these videos here. I started with just the base character, and then it actually made him talk. If you want to see something really bad.
I am a god. You will all bow and worship me. Fear me, obey me, worship me. I am the one. I am a god.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Hey there. Welcome to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. I may look like a robot, but I'm here to guide you through this amazing world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're brand new or just curious, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's explore cool tools, fun experiments, and beginner-friendly tutorials together. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.
All right. And then you download it. It is taking it to downloads. I'm going to drop it in my folder here. And guys, right there, we have just built we literally just built a talking avatar. You seen it with your own two eyes? It's pretty cool, huh? So, if you like this video, it's a little shorter today, but if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, leave a comment anyway. Otherwise, I will catch you on our next video, and until then, peace out.